Oh my gosh. It is pouring rain here. Look who's out there. Sean's making sure we're getting
water, baby.
Said it's all about water. He's getting us filled up.
Whatever it takes.
I mean, you can see when it rains here, it's no joke. We got this walkway. It's going over the walkway right now.
We're gonna be full when this is over.
We are definitely going to be full. It is raining so hard. It's crazy. There, you look down. You can see it's just massively flooded everywhere. Luckily, we have good drain off.
Homestead footage, baby. Almost there.
Yeah, he's almost got us topped off. And it's fast too, because it is coming down. Yeah, when you catch your own rainwater, you got to do whatever it takes when it's time to get water. No fooling around.
So, here's the deal. We're still using our temporary water caps. This tarp is so tore up. So I'm out there holding it and it's filling up with water, and I'm having to force it into the buckets. They're all full now. They were all empty. We needed water. We've missed water the last 2 rains because the wind has been so atrocious. The wind has been just destroying the tarp, just ripping it to shreds, breaks the zip strips, breaks the grommets. It's just tearing it up because the wind is so strong. I've determined it's official. When we were on Sabera Road in Lockport, New York, it was the windiest place on earth. And I think this is the 2nd windiest place on earth. We picked a good one. So, at the end of the day, we have to have water. I've got gutters now. I just got to put them up. Get some more gutters, but at the end of the day, we need water. And I wasn't going to let water go by, and it's nice and warm out here. I am soaked, but I don't care, because now we are full of water.
Yay!
It's about 250 gallons. 200 gallons. So, what did you do today? Made sure we had water today. That's what I did. Pop-up homestead. It's work, but it's worth it.